Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a Ford F-150 year 2015, 16 or 17. If you need to find the driver power seat fuse, stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check specifically, guys. You have another one for the passenger seat fuse if you need to find it as well. We'll explain where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way, guys, you don't need to waste money and time, guys, on parts and repairs you don't need. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So which fuse we have here specifically, guys? If we come right here, okay, you're going to see that's a 2016 F150 that we'll demonstrate on. You have 2 fuse boxes, but we'll need the fuse box that's located under the hood. Once you open your hood, that's your car battery. Next to the car battery on the back side, you will have that fuse box here. And once you open that fuse box, guys, okay, once you open it, you're going to see the fuse layout being just like that. This one will be the front of your truck, this one will be towards the windshield side. Let's explain quick why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see how you have different kinds of fuses and relays. If you're stuck in a small town or something and you need one, it can be really hard to find sometimes, or they can be really expensive. I'll recommend to keep some in the glove box on your F-150. We'll put a link in the description of the video below, guys, where you can buy spare fuses and relays at a really good price. So the fuse that we need to check will be in that fuse box right here, and the fuse for the driver power seat will be in that middle row, the very first fuse on the bottom right here, guys. Check that fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.